Hey, I know you said you were having a little trouble with the when you're cutting the grass with the cord. I'm gonna show you my technique of what I do to keep the cord away from me. It's more of a 360 to turn. Whenever I go down one little row and I turn around, I keep the cord away from me. So watch this and kind of see what I do. All right. As you can see, if I was going to my right, I would turn to my left. And if I'm coming to my left, I would turn to my right. So it's like I go down forward, I turn to my left, I come back the other way, I turn to the right, and I'm still keeping the cord in my right hand. Okay, all right, hope that helped. And if you get a chance to remind you again on that chainsaw to turn it in, and I'm still looking for a little shed, a little plastic shed down there in the area for you. Okay, all right, love you.